Hey fellas, we have something interesting with this battery. It's a 5 amps M18 and you can see all 4 lights is on, but when you put it on a tool, it not works. The tool works with the other battery and the tool is not working with this battery. And okay, first of all I'm checking this terminal. This is good. Then I'm checking this one, and this one is good too. So where is our problem? This one is not moving. Okay. Let's try to take it out. Let's check, maybe we have some bad connection here. Nope. No. Okay. So that's really strange. Let's check now. Yeah, 21 volt, and of course 21 here. Let's try to put a drill, and the drill is not working. I'll try to measure the voltage somehow. One goes here, another one goes here. I have 21, if you can see. And yeah, when I press it, nothing happens, the voltage now drops. I think it will be the problem somewhere here from these terminals. So we need a new PCB for this one. Okay, let's prepare to replace the PCB. You can see that they look pretty the same. Of course, this one is genuine, this one is not genuine, but it is. It is. I will lift the spot welds here with the knife, and of course after that we can cut them with the pliers. Okay, lifted it. We have a couple of screws here. And now we need to make sure that the temperature sensor is removed here. We can try to lift the board a little bit, and when we are lifting it, we will see if our terminal is holding here or not. Okay, we have our board out, and basically it's too hard to find the problem here, so we can just replace it. And we need to get all the pins in the holes back. Okay, got these terminals, and okay, now I have the two terminals not going in place correctly. Okay. Now we can check if we have the pin here, the pin here, the pin here and here, and we are pressing all board down the place. Tighten it with screw, and of course I have throw it out, I think, the other screw. Okay, got my screw back. Tighten it. Let's get the pins to the board. Now we need to spot weld this one, and I'm always trying to spot weld them like that, but my welder is too weak for this. Or maybe not. Okay, I will check how it holds here, and I don't like it. It holds but it's weak, so I'm jamming it with a fresh plate. Just taking the new piece here. And yeah, I know someone told me that it's 4 spots is enough, but it will not be any bad if I would put more, yeah? Okay, Okay, doing the same with this one. Okay, we have it welded. We have all 4 lights on. We can try the battery with the tool. The tool is working, so that's all for us. Now we need to assemble it and get it back to the customer for the work for you. Thank you for watching, thumbs up and bye.